Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we have an awesome video we're gonna do together. So we're doing a slime out of almost 30 ingredients. So you see here a bunch of glitter we have and all kinds of other goodies. So let me show you what I'm going to use first and then we can get started. So first I have 4 different scented foams from below. Then glitter glue in 6 different colors. Then we have here 3 colors of acrylic paint. And then here 13 different decoration things, so stars, glitters, styrofoam pearls, all kinds of stuff, everything I could find. My bases will be white paper glue, baking soda, and contact lens liquid. Now we have to mix everything together, so first goes glue and then the glitter glue. Now the foams. Now acrylic paint. Now come the 13 highlights. Now baking soda and then contact lens liquid. Continue working it with your hands. A bit more so that it's not sticky. So here is our slime out of 29 ingredients total. Let me know, what do you think? If you think this is too much or just perfect. Maybe you've tried it yourself. Let me know how many ingredients you used and what it turned out like. So I hope you guys had fun. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up and subscribe, as well as share with friends, and I'll see you in our next project. Bye!